Here I have a Ram ProMaster. I think it was a 1500, and I'm changing the side mirror, the entire assembly on it. And this one's on the passenger side. The driver side is almost the same, pretty much the same. And I'm gonna do a little video on how to do it because it's pretty easy and there's no videos out there. It's held in by 4 bolts, and then they're behind. 2 of them are outside of the panel, and then 2 of them are behind this little panel, this beige panel, and they're all T40s. And like I said, that's about it. And then it has a 1 wiring harness. This is the OE part number, but this is for the passenger side, so the driver's side might be a little different. And then what you want to do is, before you take out the bolts, you want to remove this this little panel up here for the window, the window switch, and you want to disconnect the connector here. I think it runs like this. I think it runs like this up here. This is after I repaired it already, and I'm pretty sure it runs up here. I thought it ran through the speaker, so I took out the speaker, and then I saw the wiring right here too, and I took it out from the speaker side. But I think taking it up here from where the window switch is, it's probably a lot easier. So I would try that first. And here I'm just feeding the wiring back to its little clip. So like I said, it's 4 bolts, T40, 1 wiring harness, and get it from the window switch. And you probably don't even have to take off this little plastic clip. As far as pulling out this window switch panel, what you want to do is you want to lift up on it from the right side on it, where it has a little metal tab. I don't know if you can see it right there, closest to the connector. You want to pull up from there, and then the whole thing just slides out. Because on the front, it's not a tab. It just kind of aligns to the door panel, and then you'll see when you pull it out. But yeah, you lift up on it where that metal tab is. But yeah, like I said, if you need for some reason to take out the speaker, it just has a plastic panel that covers the speaker. The speaker is 3 Phillips head screws and 1 connector, and then that's where I pulled out the wiring, because I cut it because I thought the whole thing just came out easy. But yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know.